episode of our videos. And for the last video or session, I looked at duplicating fill-in question with a simple question. Today I want to consider true and false duplication. So I already have my packages and everything I'll need. Now instead of typing everything, I'll go back to this test one file, you remember, where I had the true and false question already here. So I copy that and paste. Don't forget, I've changed the file name to true false duplicate, any name at all you want. I save and run. This is the output I have. And so we want to have this like several questions of this same kind. And so I'll move straight to my VS Code and then look for my TF duplicate model XML file. This file is just one question, and that's what we want to duplicate. So I rename this to a Python file, py. Open that. As usual, have so many errors. I already have my duplicate file, ryu, yes. Okay. So there are things I have to copy and paste. First, you have to copy this begin XML to this end. Let me extend it. And then you know that in Python you surely have to import some packages. For now, I'm not so sure what to import, so I'll leave it as that. And then I have to type question, the definition of a function. I'll call it TF duplicate. This will take a variable a with a semicolon, and that's where the indentation starts. And so I have question is equal to f with a string. I come down here because I've already pasted the end quiz. Don't forget you have to delete this guy here, and then end your string also with the indentation. Then I return the question. Alright, so most of our errors are gone, but now we have to copy the duplication function and then paste and make necessary corrections. So I have to change all my file names to have this name as this function. That is me. I prefer to have the same names throughout. So wherever I see file name, it is my duplicate. File name, TF duplicate again here, and then the last bit is this guy. Now from the previous numerical question, we realize that we don't need all these parameters. We need to just change one because of the question we have. And I chose this to be a random integer between 2 to, let's say, 10. And I want to print how many questions, as you want to print 5 or 4 questions. So that is 1 to 5 here. Now we have an error message here. That means we need to import something to cater for the run end. So I quickly have it as run from random import random integer. The errors are gone. Now lastly, we have to change this guy here, because that is what we are varying. In place of 2 becomes a, and so the answer here is some answer. For this question, I told you we want to be smart about it. It is just a simple derivative question such that for any given a, the answer will just be a, and that would always be true. So unlike the numerical where we wrote a code, I would just want to be smart about this and say the answer is always a. Do we have to change something else? No, because the 100th fraction here would always be a true, and then the 0 will always be a false. That is it for this particular question. Let me print my answer. I have this, so I'm printing how many questions? 4 questions. Right. So now time for uploading. I have my V class already logged in. If you don't have this, you have to log into the moodlecloud.org. I have to import this. I choose my XML file. Okay. Now what file am I importing? Don't forget the name of the file is TF duplicate. the new generated XML file. I didn't choose this one. Okay, and then import. I hope we don't have any errors. Whew. We have 4 questions imported. Continue. Let's view them. I have this preview. Okay, so this is what we have, and it is true. Any answer we give to that should be true. So that's it for true and false, as simple as that. I have 4 questions uploaded and I can view all. In the next video I'll try that of the multiple choice questions. Thank you.